Hi friends, welcome back to my channel. Look at me, I have a new hair color. I decided to go back to red because your girl was bored, and I know I love bright red hair on myself because I've had it in the past. I had it for years, so I decided why not? It's 2021. I need something different, y'all. I was so bored and I'm obsessed. And it's February, so what a perfect time to color my hair red because it's Valentine's Day this month, which means I have Valentine's Day looks for you guys. So today I'm just doing this really pretty red and pink look. I'm using the new Colourpop Valentine's Day collection. I first primed my lids with my Plouise base in 0.5, and now I'm taking one of the 3 Colourpop eyeshadow palettes. I'm using this dark red, packing it down first. And then I went in with another one of the Valentine's Day collection palettes, and I used this hot pink. It doesn't look hot pink on the screen there, but once I put it on, I was like, dang, it's super, super hot pink. So I just went with something really dramatic today. As you guys, I'm sure know, I do have a code with Colourpop. It's just sydneynicole. It can save you some money on all non-licensed collections and products. But yeah, I hope you guys love my new hair. I am so obsessed. You know when you just like, I'm sure so many of you can relate, but as you're getting older, you just feel like you're getting boring and old. I mean, right? Like, oh my God. And you know you're not really old. Like I turned 27 last year. I turned 28 this year. And I'm like, am I getting old? I'm so boring. And like, I don't know. It's just so weird as you get older, you feel like you're getting old, but 27 is not old. So yeah, anyways, I just be getting in my head sometimes. So I colored my hair just to make myself feel better and feel a little more motivated because I have been so bored lately and just not been feeling motivated. And yeah, I'm really loving my hair color. I popped some cute gems on. These are just nail gems, and I just used lash glue to adhere them. And then I went ahead and did my base makeup. I'm using this Lunatic Cosmetic Labs mattifying under eye powder. I really love this stuff because it really brightens the under eye. And then I went ahead and sprayed some of my Charlotte Tilbury spray all over my face just to settle the powder into my skin. Look at how cute these blushes are. These are from the Colourpop Valentine's Day collection. Oh my God, so cute. I'm using this one called My Type. It's just like this bright pink blush, and yeah, they're super, super cute. No sparkle, no glitter, no shimmer, just a matte blush. Put a little on the nose there, honey. And then I'm using this highlight from the Sola collection, which is also part of the Valentine's Day Colourpop collection. Colourpop owns Sola, and it's just this really beautiful like pinkish highlight. So I just popped that on my cheeks, on my nose, on my eyebrow bone, on my inner corner, everywhere on my whole entire body basically. I'm using this KVD Beauty Anti-Precision liner for my lower lash line. I didn't go all the way into my inner corner with the black liner. I just did the outer part in the middle of my eye kind of, and then I'm just smoking it out with the red and the hot pink. And I'm taking this LASplash Cosmetics glitter liner, and I'm just putting that right on the inner corner. It's like a chunky like light pink glitter, super, super cute. Just a little bit there, just for a little sparkle, you know. And then I'm doing my inner corner point with my liner. I'm also adding these blood drop gemstones. I did a vampire look, so I did put vampire teeth in for a company called Scarecrow Fangs. So I wanted to do some cute gems. Those gems are from Spirit Halloween during Halloween time, just so you guys know. I popped on some lashes. These are from Fire Vixen lashes. They're called Lucifina, I believe is what they're called. So cute, so dramatic. I am so obsessed with these lashes. They make me feel like a doll. Lining my lips with my Plouise lip liner. It's just a dark brown. And I wanted to go for very sultry, so I did overline quite a bit. Yes, ma'am. And I'm using this Hell Bites Beauty liquid lipstick. It's a bright red. It went so perfect with my hair. Oh my goodness. Obsessed with this color. She's feeling saucy. She's feeling cute. I'll have a few more Valentine's Day looks up for you guys, but this was a quick little cutesy, easy peasy tutorial. I feel like gems can really spice up any look. Like you could just do the most basic look, but if you add some gems to it, honey, oh, she's cute. She's on fire. Thank you guys so much for watching. I will see you soon. I hope you like my new hair. Let me know down below what you think of it. And I will catch you guys in my next tutorial. See you later.